Want to rank higher on Google? You need more than just good content. You need to know what types of SEO to use and when. Dumping backlinks into a slow, unoptimized site with no structure is not building SEO. You're building a bonfire, and those are discouraged in Vegas. In this post, I'll break down the 4 main types of SEO, how they work together, and where to start, even if you're a total beginner. Let's dive in. There are 4 main types of SEO. 1. On-page SEO. 2. Off-page SEO. 3. Technical SEO. 4. Local SEO. All 4 play a role and should be utilized, but it's easier if you focus on one at a time, then improve the rest. Type of SEO. 1. On-page SEO, the foundation of rankings. What it is: everything you do on your website to help Google understand your content. On-page SEO includes optimized title tags and meta descriptions, headings, H1, H2, etc., that follow a logical structure, keyword-rich, valuable content, internal links that guide readers and Google bots. Alt text for images, why it matters. On-page SEO is what tells Google, hey, this page is about X, and it's useful. Want a quick win? Use a tool like Surfer SEO to make sure your pages are hitting keyword density and structure benchmarks your competitors are using to rank. Before we continue, would you mind taking 2 seconds to like my video and subscribe to the channel? Thank you. Type of SEO 2. Off-page SEO. Authority signals that move the needle. What it is: everything that happens off your site that signals credibility and authority to Google. The main elements of off-page SEO include high-quality backlinks, guest posting, brand mentions, social shares, indirectly help, why it matters. If your site's the new kid on the block, Google needs outside validation that you're legit. Quick win: do a backlink gap analysis using Ahrefs. Find out who links to your competitors but not you. Then reach out and pitch something better. Given I'm just starting my focus on the Las Vegas market, I'm looking for business owners to refer to. I'm happy to link to you as long as you have good reviews, and will share some of your strategies for success in service businesses or e-commerce stores. Type of SEO 3. Technical SEO, the hidden engine under the hood. What it is: it's not sexy, but it's critical. Technical SEO is how you help search engines crawl, index, and access your site properly. Key items: fast load speed, under 3 seconds, mobile responsiveness, HTTPS security, clean URL structure, XML sitemap and robots, TXT, why it matters. Google won't rank what it can't understand or access. Technical errors, invisible pages. Quick win: run a crawl using Screaming Frog to uncover broken links, redirect chains, and crawl depth issues. Type of SEO 4. Local SEO, own your neighborhood. What it is: SEO that helps local businesses rank in a specific geographic area. Important elements: optimized Google business profile, consistent NAP, name, address, phone, local directory listings, reviews and star ratings, location-based keywords. Why it matters: local SEO is the lowest hanging fruit for local businesses. You can't afford to ignore it. Quick win: use Bright Local to audit and manage your local citations. It'll save you hours of manual work. Bonus: other types of SEO you might hear about. Depending on your niche, you may also hear terms like e-commerce SEO for product and category pages, mobile SEO for smartphone optimization, voice search SEO for answering spoken queries, video SEO, optimizing YouTube and embedded content. You don't need to master all of them at once. Start with the big 4 and layer these in as your strategy matures. How all 4 types of SEO fit together. All 4 types of SEO work together to help you rank higher on Google and other search engines. Here's how. On page, your content quality. Off page, your authority and trust. Technical, your site health and structure. Local, your geographic relevance. If one's missing, your rankings will suffer. Think of SEO like a house. Technical is the foundation. On page is the interior design. Off page is the neighborhood buzz. Local is the curb appeal. What to do next? Audit your site to see which type you're weakest in. Prioritize based on impact, usually technical or on page first. Layer in off page and local as you grow. Need help getting started? Let's build your SEO house right from the foundation.